Installing the KOHLER Farmstead kitchen sink. This sink can be installed in either a wall mount or top mount configuration. This video demonstrates the wall mount installation. A video demonstrating the top mount installation is also available. This installation requires legs K-21104 or K-21105. Do not proceed with the installation if you have not purchased one of these two products. For this installation, you will need the following tools and materials: safety glasses, Phillips screwdriver, measuring tape, pencil, level, drill with assorted bits, 1/4-inch hex wrench, 5/32 hex wrench, 100% silicone sealant, rags, and support framing material. You may also need epoxy for this installation. Caution: risk of personal injury or product damage. This cast iron sink is extremely heavy. Do not move or install this product without assistance. KOHLER Company recommends that 3 people perform this installation. Wear appropriate safety equipment when installing this product. Observe all local plumbing and building codes. Install a minimum 2x6 brace flush with the face of the studs, with the top of the brace 42 inches from the finished floor. The brace should extend across at least 4 vertical studs, and there needs to be at least 20 inches on each side from where the center of the sink will be installed. Rough in the water supplies and drain outlet. Install the finished wall. Use a pencil to draw a center line 40 inches up from the finished floor. Measure 8 7/8 inches from the left of the center line and make a mark. Then make another mark 8 7/8 inches to the right of the center line. Line up the edge of one bracket with the first mark you made. Level the bracket and make a mark at each hole location. Repeat this process for the other bracket. Drill 1/8 inch pilot holes at each of the marks. Secure the brackets to the wall using 1/4-inch screws. Install the provided screws into the top of each leg. Place a washer over each screw, then tighten the screws securely using a 1/4-inch hex wrench. Hand tighten the leveling feet all the way into the bottom of each leg. Prepare a temporary frame or braces that are 34 3/4 inches tall to support the underside of the sink. If possible, install the faucet to the sink before installing the sink. Caution: risk of personal injury or product damage. Do not allow the mounting brackets to support the entire weight of the sink at any time. Make sure the front of the sink is always supported. With 2 people, lower the sink onto the wall brackets while a third person moves the frame or braces into place under the front rim of the sink. Completely thread the legs into the holes on the bottom of the sink. If desired, apply a bead of epoxy on the finished floor under each of the leveling feet. Place a level on the front edge of the sink and adjust the leveling feet until they are resting on the floor and the sink is level. Remove the temporary braces. Verify that the sink is level. Insert the screws through the lock washers. Then install the towel bar to the front of the sink using a 5/32 hex wrench. Apply a bead of 100% silicone sealant where the sink meets the wall. Complete the installation by connecting the faucet and installing the drain.